Johann Heinrich Wilhelm Tischbein, known as the Goethe Tischbein, born on February 15, 1751 in Haina, died February 26, 1829 in Eutin, was a German painter from the Tischbein family of artists. Tischbein began his career painting portraits at the Prussian court in Berlin. In 1779 he went to Italy and in 1789 was appointed director of the Art Academy in Naples. Forced to leave in 1799 because of war, the painter retired to northern Germany. Tischbein's most famous painting, Goethe in the Campagna, was painted in 1787 at the time the two men traveled from Rome to Naples. Though Goethe induced the artist to turn his interest toward the Neoclassical movement, Tischbein was later influenced by the ideas of German Romanticism.